Hello you guys, today I am out here in Kettering at Etown in Jacksonville, Florida with David Weekly. If you're new here, my name is Ella Galbraith. I'm a new home sales consultant with David Weekly, and today I am showing you one of our quick move-in townhomes here in Etown. This townhome features a lot of upgrades, tons of natural light, a gourmet kitchen, a balcony that overlooks our community park. You also have access to all of Etown's amenities and what it has to offer, and not to mention the amazing incentives that we are offering on this home, which is a 4.99 fixed interest rate when you use our preferred lender and close by the end of July. So let's go take a look around. I'm going to give you some unedited footage of this townhome, and let's start at the front door. Alrighty, so we are here on the exterior of the Milner. This is home site 138. This is a 2-car garage townhome. And a couple things that you may or may not notice off the bat that David Weekly does is if you pay attention to the roof line, we hide all of our vents on the roof lines. Gives it a more clean and better curb appeal. So just goes to show you the attention to detail that we have here at David Weekly. Alrighty, now we're going to head inside. All right, and as we are walking up here, I am going to kind of turn around to give you the street view and also point out the generous amount of street parking that you have right across the street, in addition to your 2-car garage and driveway. Right, so when we walk in here, this is a more modern floor plan where you walk in the guest bedroom and office is on the first floor. So you can see how much natural light just comes into the home. This is the office downstairs. So you have double French doors, and this is a really huge living space. This would be great for a home office if you work from home, or a playroom for kids, or even a movie room or a pool table room. It's big enough for a pool table, I believe, in here. Alrighty, and then let's take a peek out here on the covered patio. So you can see it's covered right here, and you're overlooking our community park and pavilion. So all of our townhomes here have a fenced-in yard that is fully maintained and irrigated by the HOA. This is a great space for kids to run and play, especially if you have kids. You have a gate literally right out your backyard where they can go just run to the park, and it's just an extension of your backyard. This is the view from the back. So when we get up to the top, we'll take a look at that balcony up there. All right, so just to continue on the first floor, right here we have great under the stair storage. So it goes all the way down here. And then you have a full bathroom here at the end of this hallway. So we have white cabinets and black hardware, including the light fixture. And then you have a tub and toilet over here. Right here is your AC closet. And then over here is the second bedroom. Has tons of natural light, has a lot of space over here, and a full walk-in closet. And then you even have a little door out to the patio here. So whether this is a bedroom for a guest or an in-law, it's really nice to have this bedroom on the main floor and access to go out to the yard. Alrighty, and then the last thing I wanted to show you on the first floor is, of course, the garage entry, which we kind of walked past when we first walked in. So it's here immediately off the right of the front door. And you can see here, 2-car garage. We have tankless water heaters here in this community. This is a gas community. So lots of room for cars or storage. All right, now at the top of the stairs for the main living area, we have a beautiful gourmet kitchen and dining area over here. So like I mentioned, this is a gas community. So you have the white shaker style cabinets and black hardware, the built-in microwave oven combo. This little niche would be a perfect place to have a spice cabinet or vitamins maybe. You have a good sized pantry. That's one thing that we are very good at here at David Weekley is storage. And then look at that beautiful balcony and view. You can see how much natural light there is. You could definitely put a grill out here and have some great meals and views out here. Drink your morning coffee or your evening glass of wine, whatever your taste is. So you have that nice subway tile backsplash and then a really large family room. So you have 3 huge windows and plenty of room for any furniture configuration. So you could put a really large TV stand. We do the cable drops in the wall, so that way if you mount your TV, you do not have to see cords hanging down the wall. Blinds are already installed. So this living area just is really great for hosting friends and family, being able to see out, see everyone that is eating or watching TV while cooking. And then like I mentioned, David Weekley is very great with storage. So we have a whole other closet here in addition to your pantry. So this could be a Costco closet or Sam's Club closet. Put your cleaning supplies in there. We do have a half bathroom as well. So if you have any guests that you're hosting, they don't need to use the bathroom in your owner's retreat. And then over here as well, you do have laundry on the same floor as your owner's suite. You have enough room to put some shelves or even some additional cabinets down the road as well. And then you have your huge owner's retreat. So you have lots of windows, you have a huge tray ceiling, which just makes it feel even more grand. So just like the family room, plenty of room for furniture. So putting a dresser and a TV or a large mirror. You can even put more furniture over here and then situate your bed on this wall. You could easily fit a king size bed and 2 nightstands and still have plenty of room to walk around in here. In the ensuite, you have double vanities. Again, black hardware that matches throughout. Your walk-in shower. As I mentioned before, we are very big on windows here at David Weekley. There are 14 of them in this townhome. So most people think townhomes have no natural light at all, especially with this being an interior unit. But as you can see, that is not the case here. So that is the grand tour of our quick move-in of our Milner on homesite 138 here in Kettering at Etown. This townhome is priced in the low 400s, and again, we are having that incentive of a 4.99 fixed interest rate when you close by the end of July and use our preferred lender. So if you or anyone you may know might be interested in this townhome, feel free to contact me today. I'm going to put my contact information here on the screen, and I would be happy to answer any questions, provide additional details, or set up a tour in person. If you have any questions on building with David Weekley here in Etown in general, also feel free to message me. We still have lots more availability in this community coming soon. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.